ZML, we're back. We're on our next property here. This is, I would say, it's not a lot clearing job, but we are taking out a lot of trees. As you can see, all the ones here that are marked. I'll probably be climbing this one and throwing the top, only because they have so many lines out here that are marked. Definitely don't want to hit none of that stuff. No big deal. This one here I can just drop. That one there I can just drop, and that one there I can just drop. So far we got the saws warming up, and I'll show you guys the rest of the scope of work. I'm out here by myself today, so we'll just be doing work that I can handle for myself. But our next section is over here. I believe this is roughly like a 30 by 60. So we'll be taking all of these trees out here. If you can see these pink marks here on the trees, we're gonna go from that point straight back and take all of these out here, all the way down, all the way down, all those pines you see there, all the way down, taking this one out here, all the way down to here. So we're taking all of that out right there. And then we got a couple back here marked. We got to get this one by this building here. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8 trees over there. So yeah, just getting off one job, headed to this one. So I'll be working this job probably every afternoon. The clients are out of state, so they're not really pushed to getting this work done extremely fast. But it gives me something to do in the afternoons when I'm knocking off. But yeah, guys, ZML. Like I said, we got a saw over here warming up, so we'll go ahead and get started.
Thank you.
See your mail, baby. Big Z on the job today. ZML, we back, baby. We don't got a lot of time to get a lot of footage. The landfill is only open at 5. We got a late start today. But that's what we're looking like, guys. Whole bunch of brush at the bottom, and a whole bunch of mature logs on top. We could probably get a few more up there, but we're good. We don't got to scrap this down. The weight's gonna hold it down. Center of gravity, baby. ZML. ZML, we back, baby. We got another one in the bag, guys. This job here, where we did this lot clearing that, man, we removed roughly 40 some odd trees, guys. And I mean, I tell you, it's amazing what one person can do in a Kubota tractor, guys. It's just amazing. But we'll let you guys check it out. We went there and with the extra measure and blew off the client's entire driveway here. Turned out pretty good. And that's the last load coming out of here. So that makes load number 7 right there. We were able to get the first 6 out to the landfill. And guys, just check this out, man. This thing turned out magnificent, man. Look at that. And we'll do some before and after shots of this thing. But man, it just turned out very, very well, guys. As you remember, we had a pile of sticks right here, about 12-foot poles there. But man, we got this one in the bag, guys. Check this out, man. This is how you're supposed to leave a job, guys. You gotta leave the yard clean, man. I know us tree removal guys aren't in the landscaping business. I know that's what a lot of tree removals guys say. Hey, I'm not a landscaper. But guys, go to extra measure. Get up as much as you can. This right here was really the focal point here. This is where we took majority of the trees out here, as you can see. Let's see, let me get here on the side. So from this line of the driveway, all that was trees, guys. All that section there. And I don't know if the camera can pick them up, but I kind of left them about, I say maybe 6 inches to a foot high, so I know where they are when I come back and stump grind. So for us, the clearing part of this job is complete, man. We'll come back Wednesday and stump grind the rest of it. But this is it, guys. Turned out very, very well. Come on back through here. If you guys remember, we had a real, there it is right here, real nice size oak there, and a couple real nice size pines in there. But the cool thing about it is, I mean, with all this space, man, we had ample amount of room just to drop things. I'm pretty sure the client gonna want me to come back and get that one there. It's just kind of sticking out like a sore thumb, but that's one that he did not have marked. That was a healthy pine there as well. And I don't know if you guys remember, but here was a nice sized pine. It was draping over the shed here. And I didn't have to climb any of them. I just used the tractor, used some bull rope, and I just control cut everything. A lot of them, most of them I didn't have to use a rope. I would just put the grapple up on the tractor and just lean on it, put a face cut, back cut, rest history. But man, it turned out very, very well, guys. I wish I could have got more footage, but man, I'm gonna tell you something. I take my hat off to you YouTubers out there, man. You know, as busy as we are out here running our businesses, and you guys get the most quality footage videos, and I just want to take my hat off to you guys. I'm gonna get there. I mean, drone, time lapse, just that. But yeah, take my hat off to you guys. But yeah, we got another one in the bag. Big Z back here in the corner. He's about wore out. His allergies bothering him. But yeah, guys, once again, this is ZML with ZML Exterior Home Care, where we specialize in pressure washing, the art of soft washing, and tree removal. Till next time, peace.